Namaste, Namaste, Jai Shankar to all of you. I hope you all are doing fine and you all must be surprised and not expecting to see me. In fact, yes, even I wasn't be supposed to be here. I actually gate crashed here. I was requesting Mahesh ma'am for the past 1 or 2 weeks to let me be on screen, but he would not let me do that. So I thought, okay, let me do it. Let me just gate crash in. Well, no, nothing of that sort. Uh, well, today, before Arya comes in as the MC, yes, she is doing the MCing today. And before Arya comes in, I am here to play a short video for all of you. Mahesh ma'am has always been giving us surprises of all sorts. And well, today here I am to give you all a surprise, including this surprise for Mahesh ma'am. So, before anything else, let us have this surprise for our dear Mahesh ma'am.
Hi, Anu. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Anu. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mahesh Mantu. Happy birthday to you.
Hey Mahesh, wishing you a very happy birthday. Kudos to you for all the selfless work that you do, and we are really fortunate to have you in our community. Again, a happy birthday.
Mahesh, happy birthday to you. Thank you for all that you are and all that you do. Thank you for being a blessing to us, and may God always bless you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Many happy returns. Have a wonderful day and a fantastic year ahead. Our association has been very recent, but it's been such a pleasure to know you. Enjoy your day today and always. May our Guru's grace always be with you. And thank you so much for making our lives so musical and connecting the whole Bhanap community together. Thank you and enjoy your day.
Happy birthday and many more, dear Mahesh. God bless you in every way.
हंसी आपकी कोई चुरा ना पाए, आपको कभी कोई रुला ना पाए, खुशियों का दीप ऐसा जले आपकी जिंदगी में कि कोई तूफान उसे कभी बुझा ना पाए। आपके जन्मदिन पर हम देते हैं यही दुआ, खुशियां आपके दामन से कभी ना हो जुदा, उसकी रहमत में कभी कोई कमी ना आए, आपके होठों पर से ये मुस्कुराहट कभी ना जाए। हैप्पी बर्थडे महेश मैम। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर महेश मैम, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Dear Mahesh Ma'am, wish you a very happy birthday, and thank you very much for putting so many young amateur singers on your Gharana pedestal. Wish you more and more success in this field.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mahesh. Happy birthday to you.
Lata and Ashok from Toronto wishing you a
Very
very, very happy
happy
birthday. You deserve all the best in the world and may God bless you always, Mahesh. You are a wonderful person and help us seniors a lot. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Wish you a very happy birthday and many, many more to come. And God bless you for helping all us seniors here. And we really depend on your support. Thank you very much again. I hope you'll be there for us all the time.
Happy birthday, Mahesh Mom.
जन्मदिनमिदं अयि महेश मां जन्मदिनमिदं अयि महेश मां शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदं शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदम्.
Happy birthday, Mahesh Mom.
जय शंकर.
जय शंकर.
आज बरो आनंदात दिसो. महेश हॅपी
Happy
बर्थडे.
birthday.
आम सगळ्यांकाय खुशी जाल्या आनी म्हळ्यार तूं इतलो म्हयनो दवरून बर्थडे करून चल्लो नायलें घरान आसमेलान आनी कितकी कलाकारांक आमचे केल कलाकारांक इतलो प्रोत्साहन मेळ्ळा तातूंत तांकां आनी आमकांय भाग घेवच्या तातूंत एक अनुभव करून दिलें ताका मस्त धन्यवाद तुका आनी सगळ्यांगेले प्रिती मेळ्ळे तुका ताचे पयलीं व्हड म्हळ्यार आमगेले मठाधिपती श्रीमद सदोदास शंकर स्वाम्यांगेले आशिर्वादूय मेळ्ळा तुका. देव बरें कर.
Dear Mahesh, we wish you a very, very happy birthday and many, many happy returns of the day.
You are doing a remarkable job, Mahesh, in arranging the Ghar Aana online concerts regularly every Saturday since April. We pray that Lord Bhavani Shankar's and our Pujya Swamiji's blessings are always with you.
Happy birthday, Mahesh! Receiving a lot of appreciations for your activities in Gharana on the occasion of your birthday. All the best. Keep on doing this good work. Jai Shankar.
Sorry. Mahesh Ma'am, wish you a very, very happy birthday. Let us all join and wish Mahesh Ma'am a very, very happy birthday. Hope you had a wonderful birthday, Mahesh Ma'am. Best of luck from all of us. Best wishes from all of us here. All the viewers of Gharana, all the participants of Gharana. May you have a long life, healthy life, and may you always continue the service you have been doing to mankind and all the Amchis and everyone out there and here. Keep it up, Mahesh Ma'am. Thank you so much. And now it is my turn. It is my turn now. Sorry to vanish, just to disappear from here. I've had enough. Sorry for bearing. Thank you for bearing with me. Sorry for presenting myself. Just gate crashing in. And now here is today's MC, Arya Dhareshwar. Arya, please unmute yourself. And here you are, Arya. All yours.
ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. श्री भवानी शंकराय नमः. श्री मात्रे नमः. महेश माम, once again wish you a very happy birthday. महेश मामागलाजी आग्रह स्वीकार करून हांव आयच्या कार्यक्रमाचे मास्टर ऑफ सेरेमनीज आर्या धारेश्वर तुम सगळ्यांकय नमस्कार करता. भवानी शंकरागलो आनी स्वाम्यांगलो आशीर्वाद घेवन आजी घराना ह्या सिरीजांतुल्या स्वर लय तरंग ह्या कार्यक्रमांतू तुम सगळ्यांकय स्वागत करता. आजी प्रथम सादरीकरण सह दोन्ही सान्न कलाकारांगले तांगेल नाव पूरब मुगवे आणि चिराग मुगवे. 8 years young Purab Mugwe is studying in Cambridge Elementary School in New Jersey, USA. Purab has been learning harmonium from Shri Suresh Benegal for the last 2 years, that is from the tender age of 6. And 12 years young Chirag Mugwe is studying in Crossroads South Middle School in New Jersey, USA. Chirag has been learning tabla from Shri Prabhakar Betterbet for the last 4 years. पूरब आल हार्मोनियमात स्वराच्या आणि चिराग आल तबल्याच लयेचो तरंग आम्ही मेळणू अनुभव करूया आणि स्वरलय तरंग कार्यक्रम सुरू करूया. ओवर टू यू पूरब and चिराग.
Jai Shankar. My name is Purab Mugwe, and today I will be playing 4 rags, and for each rag I will the aroha and aroha for each rag, 4 rags for each. And for each rag I will be playing a bhajan. I will start with the Bhoop rag. Jai Shankar. My name is Chirag Mugwe, and today I will be accompanying Purab on the tabla. I will start with the Bhoop rag. Sa sa re ga pa dha sa da pa ga re sa. Now I will play the bhajan Anjaneya Swami. The next rag I will be playing is Hamsadvani. Sa re ga pa ni sa ni pa ga re sa. Now I will play the bhajan Mana Bhavana Meru. The next two bhajans are very long, so I will play only 4 verses of it. Now I will present the Bhairav Rag. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. The re and the dha are komal. Now I will play the bhajan Mangala Shubhakara Shankarige. last but not least, I will present the Shankara Rag. Sa ga pa ni da sa ni pa ni da ga pa ga re sa. Now I will play the bhajan Shankar Narayan Geet. Thank you.
Thank you, dear Purab and Chirag. Your performance was so beautiful. आणि तुमकां पळोवन खरें खुशी जाली. The way you explained Purab was really sweet. आमची गल गुरूंक जाली, आमची गल शिष्यांक पळोवन खरेंची मस्त खुशी जाली. Moving ahead, the next performance of the day is a tabla solo by Vihan Kerekatte. Vihan is a rising 8th grader from Apex, North Carolina, USA. He has been training in the Farrukhabad Lucknow style of tabla for 4 years with Shri Sandeep Hatangdi and Shri Prabhakar Betterbet. Besides tabla, Vihan also enjoys reading, playing saxophone, and spending time with his family. Looking forward to hear you play, Vihan. Over to you.
My name is Vihan Kerekatte. Thank you all for joining, and I seek everyone's blessings. Special thanks to my gurus, Prabhakar Betterbet Mam and Sandeep Hatangdi Mam. Also, thanks to Pandit Sadanand Nempali Mam, Pandit Omkar Gulwadi Mam, Vasant Hosangadi Mam, and to Mahesh Nileshwar Mam for giving me the opportunity to present today. I'll be playing a short Tintal solo, starting with Utan and Peshkar, followed by a couple of Kaidas and Relas. I will end with a few Muktas, Guts, and Chakradars. Thank you. gadiginada, gadiginada, katagadiginada, 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 tidigadiginada, 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 da da, tidigadiginada, da da, tidigadiginada, da. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you, Vihan. That was a beautiful performance. We really enjoyed your performance, and I just couldn't take my eyes off your fingers dancing on the tabla. And you have received so many comments and blessings in the chat box. Do have a look now. Moving ahead, आता आयच्या कार्यक्रमात अंतिम कलाकार देवांश जुराळेकर आमंत्रित करता. Currently based in San Diego and originally from Mumbai, Devansh is a versatile singer and musician with Hindustani classical vocals being his forte. Devansh started his musical journey at the age of 5, learning Hindustani classical vocals from his cousin Priya Kurnorkar. He also had the opportunity to learn from the renowned singer Ajit Kadkade for a brief period of time thereafter. As a child, Devansh had received several national level accolades and also had the opportunity to receive blessings and appreciation from the likes of esteemed artists such as Bharat Ratna Pandit Bhimsen Joshi and Sangeet Martand Pandit Jasraj Ji, lovingly dubbed Devansh as Sangeetansh at the age of 12. He was also the favorite of the late noted music composer Shri Srinivas Khareji. I would also like to mention that during his younger days, he had got quite known for the famous song Pai Siddha Paduka Vasudeva. Devansh now continues to develop his vocal skills under Pandit Dr. Ram Deshpande and has been taking lessons from him over 10 years now. In addition to Hindustani classical vocals, Devansh has found a deep interest in exploring a variety of musical genres and instruments. Devansh plays the keyboard, drums, and also has trained for a brief period of time in jazz vocals and improvisation. Devansh is also a music composer, a producer, and is passionate about composing music that involves the fusion of Indian classical music and jazz styles of music. Besides music, Devansh received his undergraduate degree in electronic engineering from Mumbai University before pursuing his master's in music technology from Carnegie Mellon University. Devansh is now pursuing his PhD from the University of California, San Diego in computer music, where his primary research focus is singing vocal synthesis. Wow, Devansh, what a beautiful bio. Looking forward to hear you. Over to you. Thank you.
Can you hear me now? Okay. Thanks, Arya, for the wonderful introduction. And namaste, everybody, for being present here today. Also, I would like to specially thank Mahesh Ma'am and Vasant Ma'am for giving me this opportunity today to present in front of you all today or tonight. So I will be starting with Rag Malkaus, in which I will start with a Paramparik Vilambit Bandish in Tal Ek Tal, Peer Anajani, followed by another Trut Bandish in Tal Teen Tal, which is composed by my Guru Pandit Dr. Ram Deshpande. So starting Rag Malkaus. Are the levels okay? Is the Tanpura fine? Dhera Are the Tanpura and voice levels fine? Pirana Jani Balama Dekete Hari Anoki Rita Pirana Jani Balama Dekete Hari Anoki Rita Pirana Jani Pirana Jani Pirana Jani Na Jani Bala Bala Ma Pirana Jani Pirana Jani Pirana Jani Pirana Jani Bala Ma पिरन जानी रे न जानी रे पिरन जानी पिरन जानी रे बलमा बलमा पिरन जानी पिरन जानी रे न जानी रे बलमा पिरन जानी रे पिरन जानी रे बलमा पिरन जानी रे बलमा बलमा देखे दे अनोखी पिरन जानी पिरन जानी पिरन जानी रे बलमा पिरन जानी रे पिरन जानी रे बलमा देखे ते हरि अनोखे रे पिरन जानी पिरन जानी पिरन जानी पिरन जानी रे बलमा देखे ते हरि अनोखी रीता पिरन जानी पिरन जानी रे बलमा देखे ते हरि अनोखी रीता पिरन जानी पिरन जानी पिरन जानी पिरन जानी रे बलमा देखे ते हरि अनोखी रीता पिरन जानी पिरन जानी रे बलमा देखे ते हरि अनोखी रीता पिरन जानी पिरन जानी पिरन जानी दे री पीरा न जानी ऐसो नीरा मोही नीरा मोही ऐसो नीरा मोही नीरा मोही ऐसो नीरा मोही नीरा मोही नीरा मोही ऐसो नीरा मोही ऐसो नीरा मोही भाई लाबलमा अजहू न आए कहा के रीता बेरा न जानी पीरा न जानी पीरा न जानी पीरा न जानी रे बालमा देखे तेहारियानो किरीता पीरा न जानी पीरा न जानी रे बालमा देखे तेहारी अनुकीर्ता पीरा न जानी पीरा न जानी रे बालमा देखे तेहारी अनुकीर्ता पीरा न जानी पीरा न जानी रे बालमा देखे तेहारी अनुकीर्ता पीरा न जानी रे पीरा न जानी रे पीरा न जानी पीरा न जानी रे बालमा देखे तेहारी अनुकीर्ता पीरा न जानी रे बालमा देखे तेहारी अनुकीर्ता पीरा न जानी पीरा न जानी रे बालमा देखे तेहारी अनुकीर्ता पीरा न जानी रे बालमा देखे तेहारी अनुकीर्ता पीरा न जानी 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 रे बालमा देखे तेहारी अनुकीर्ता पीरा न जानी पीरा न जानी रे बालमा देखे तेहारी अनुकीर्ता पीरा न जानी पीरा न जानी रे पीरा न जानी पीरा न जानी रे बलमा देखे ते हरि रीत पीरा न जानी, पीरा न जानी रे बलमा देखे ते हरि अनोखी रीत, पीरा न जानी रे बलमा देखे ते हरि अनोखी रीत, पीरा न जानी। राम भक्त हनुमान बलवान, राम भक्त हनुमान बलवान, राम भक्त हनुमान बलवान, राम भक्त हनुमान बलवान। गुरु भक्ति के ये प्रमाण, राम भक्त हनुमान बलवान, राम भक्त हनुमान बलवान, राम भक्त हनुमान बलवान। गुरु भक्ति के ये प्रमाण, राम भक्त हनुमान बलवान, राम भक्त हनुमान, हनुमान, राम भक्त हनुमान, हनुमान बलवान। गुरु भक्ति के ये प्रमाण, राम भक्त हनुमान, राम भक्त हनुमान बलवान। गुरु भक्ति के प्रमाण, राम भक्त हनुमान बलवान, राम भक्त हनुमान। गुरु भक्ति के ये प्रमाण, राम भक्त हनुमान, राम भक्त हनुमान, राम भक्त हनुमान बलवान। गुरु भक्ति के ये प्रमाण, राम भक्त हनुमान बलवान। सन्मति और बल के दाता, सन्मति और बल के दाता, सन्मति और बल के दाता। अमरत्व का पायो वरदान, अमरत्व का पायो वरदान। संगीत शास्त्र के विद्वान, राम भक्त हनुमान बलवान, राम भक्त हनुमान बलवान, राम भक्त हनुमान, राम भक्त हनुमान राम भक्त हनुमान, राम भक्त हनुमान, राम भक्त हनुमान, राम भक्त हनुमान बलवान। राम भक्त हनुमान, भक्त हनुमान, गुरु बलवान, गुरु भक्ति के बलवान, राम भक्त हनुमान बलवान। राम भक्त हनुमान, राम भक्त हनुमान, राम भक्त हनुमान बलवान। राम भक्त हनुमान बलवान, गुरु भक्ति के ये प्रमाण। राम भक्त, राम भक्त, राम भक्त हनुमान बलवान। Thank you. Next I'll be singing a very famous ghazal, Ranjish Hi Sahi. किस किस को बताएंगे जुदाई का सबब हम, किस किस को बताएंगे जुदाई का सबब हम। तू मुझसे खफा है तो ज़माने के लिए रंजिश ही सही, दिल ही दुखाने के लिए रंजिश ही सही। फिर से मुझे छोड़ के जाने के लिए रंजिश ही सही। फिर से मुझे छोड़ के जाने के लिए रंजिश ही सही, दिल ही दुखाने के लिए रंजिश ही सही। पहले से मरासिम ना सही फिर भी कभी तो पहले से मरासिम ना सही फिर भी कभी तो पहले से पहले से पहले से पहले से पहले से पहले से मरासिम न सही फिर भी कभी तो पहले से मरासिम न सही फिर भी कभी तो रस्मों रही दुनिया ही निभाने के लिए रंजिश ही सही दिल ही दुखाने के लिए रंजिश ही सही माना के मोहब्बत का ज़माना है मोहब्बत माना के मोहब्बत का ज़माना है मोहब्बत माना 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 मोहब्बत का ज़माना है मोहब्बत का ज़माना माना के मोहब्बत का ज़माना है मोहब्बत माना के मोहब्बत का ज़माना है मोहब्बत चुपके से किसी रोज़ जताने के लिए रंजिश ही सही चुपके से किसी रोज़ जताने के लिए रंजिश ही सही दिल ही दुखाने के लिए रंजिश ही सही फिर से मुझे छोड़ के जाने के लिए रंजिश ही सही दिल ही दुखाने के लिए रंजिश ही सही हो रंजिश ही सही रंजिश ही सही Before moving on to my final song, I'll sing a few lines of Pai Siddha Paduka Vasudeva because Vasant Ma'am very lovingly requested me last night to sing that. So it's been, I think, over 10 years since I had last sung that song, but I'll sing a few lines. पायी सिद्ध पादुका वासुदेवा, हाती काठी साधका वासुदेवा, गात गात नाचत वेणुनाद वाजत वासुदेवा हरी वासुदेवा, हरी वासुदेवा, माथा मोर पिच्च टोपी गा वासुदेवा, सभोवती गोपी त्या वासुदेवा, कानी कुंडलाचे तेजर विषशिलोपे गा वासुदेवा हरी वासुदेवा, हरी वासुदेवा, भाळी केशर निर्मळ वासुदेवा, लाज डोळी असी कमळ वासुदेवा, शोभे नासिक सरळ हिरे दात उठमळ वासुदेवा हरी वासुदेवा, हरी वासुदेवा, दृश्य न देखे मी अंध गा वासुदेवा, मुखी वासुदेव छंद गा वासुदेवा, करी धरुनी वागवी माझ नंदाचा नंद गा वासुदेवा हरी वासुदेवा, हरी वासुदेवा, संत संकादिक नाचती वासुदेवा, पहा ब्रह्मानंदे राजती वासुदेवा, श्री रमा वल्लभ दास गाती प्रेमे नाद वाजती वासुदेवा हरी वासुदेवा, हरी वासुदेवा, हरी वासुदेवा. Moving on to my final song. It's a song from the movie Katyar Kaljat Ghusli. It's I think the final song in that movie, Aruni Kirani. Deem tana deem tana uda tana derena deem tana. Again, the levels are fine, right? Of deem tana uda tana derena deem tana uda tana derena deem tana uda tana derena deem tana uda tana derena. अरुण किरण धरणे गगन चमके भ्रमित भ्रमर करी गुंजन हलके अधीर मन मम जणु सरित जल करीत स्वर झर 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 धीम तन उदतन देरेना धीम तन उदतन देरेना बरसत बरसत बरसे बरसे दिव्य गान स्वर्ग देश बरसे तरसत तरसत तरसे तरसे मन तृषात तव कृपेस तरसे मम अंतरात मन मंदिरात स्वर ताल साज आज घुमतो मन धुंद आज तव गुंजनात गुरुराज आज तुझसी दास स्मरतो फिरते तरती तुम तन अवती पवती तुंड तन मन गगनी अवनी भरुनी कण कण स्वप्न एक आज आत रुजू दे जग ही भिजले जल सरित अजी जरी मन हे उरले कातृषात मम तरी पडू दे कणिक तव कटाक्ष माझवरी स्वर कट्यार काळ जात घुसू दे दीन तन उदतन धेरे न दीन तन उदतन धेरे न दीन तन उदतन धेरे न दीन निनि दा 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 नि दरे धनि दरे धनि धनि दरे धनि धनि दगरे धनि रे धनि धनि दरे धनि 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 ध म ग म ग रे ध ध ग म धनि धनि अंधकार गुरुविण जगी भासे, कंठी स्वर उरले तजरासे, किरण बनून निखित जी प्रगटावे, वरुण बनून हृदयी बरसावे, गुरुवर चरणी शरण मज द्यावे, मातम मरण स्मरण मज द्यावे. दीम तननन दीम तननन दीम 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 तननन. पुन्हा जन्मण्यासाठी द्यावा सूर सुधारस हो, सूर निरागस हो, सूर निरागस हो, सूर निरागस हो, सूर निरागस हो. Thank you. Over to you, Arya.
Wow, Devansh, what a beautiful performance. Really a very nice performance. I don't even feel like speaking much because the atmosphere you created since Malcolm's, since the first Kharaj Dhaivat that you touched was really amazing, and really the way you sing 2 octaves so smoothly, and the way you have thought and musically put it in front of us, your hard work really shows. Really nice performance. So on such a beautiful note, we are at the end of Swaralaya Taranga program. म्हाका खात्री आसा की आमी सगळी स्वर आणि लयांतू तरंग जाल्लीची. It was a beautiful journey and a joyful experience being an MC for Gharana. I would like to thank Mahesh Nileshwar ma'am, Vasant Hosangdi ma'am, Prabhakar ma'am and Omkar Gulwadi ma'am from the bottom of my heart for choosing me as an MC and lovingly guiding me throughout. Thank you so much. Jai Shankar.